Hello, today we are drawing a penguin. P for penguin. So we'll start with an oval shape first. This is our face. Let's draw a beak, a small curve above, and then a triangle shape below. This is your penguin's beak. Now let's finish the body as well. Let's join these carefully with a curve. Circular shape for eyes. Same on the other side. And now from here, we'll make a big curve, bring it down, make a big curve, bring it down. Same on the other side. This is good. Now take this line all the way down, again another curve. Now let's make our penguin's eyes. Make a circle. Another small circle. Fill it up. Same on the other side. Another small circle. Fill it up. How do we make hands? Make a big curve. Join it up. Same on the other side. And now time to draw two tiny feet. 1, 2, 3. Same on the other side. 1, 2, 3. And here you have your penguin. Excellent work. Now how do we draw the letter P? So we draw a standing line first. And then half a circle joining first half of the letter. Like this. This is the letter P. P for penguin. Excellent work. See you in the next one.